I was just about to do some investing on Vanguard and I thought that I would film it, just in case any of you guys watching this video are a bit unsure about how to actually buy shares on Vanguard. And yeah, this video may be helpful. So I'm going to record my screen and actually show you exactly how I invest using Vanguard. So of course, the first thing that you'll want to do is to have an account on Vanguard and log into that account. So that's what I'm going to do now. Once you're on your homepage, you have to find the funds that you want to invest in and add them to your basket. So I already know what I want to invest in today. So I'm going to go to the What We Offer section, full list, and I'm going to find the funds that I actually want to invest in. So one of them is the S&P 500. So let's do that one first. That should be, yeah, right here under the USA section. Click on that. Click Invest Now at the bottom here. There's a few different ways you can do it, but this is one of them. So it's added it to the basket. Do I want to continue to purchase or maybe add some more? I actually want to add some more. So I'm going to go back to Browse Funds. And the second one I want to buy, which I already own as well as the S&P 500, but I want to buy more, is the Global All Cap. So let me find that one. It's this one here that I want. So the FTSE Global All Cap Index Fund. So I'm going to do exactly the same, Invest Now, and it will show me that I have 2 funds in my basket, and that's all I want to buy today. So I'm going to continue to purchase. And it's now asking me, which account would you like to top up? Your ISA or open a new account or transfer? I want this to be in my ISA. And I have 2 options. I either purchase at the next available price, which will not charge me any extra money to do so. As the prices of these things go up and down each day, if you choose this option, you may actually be buying less for the same price or more for the same price as the price goes up and down. But it will be roughly what you expect it to be, what you can see today, roughly. It won't change by too much. So yeah, that explains this here. Place your order now and it will go through at the next trade point. This is usually twice a day for ETFs or can take 2 to 3 business days for mutual funds. And yeah, it's a little disclaimer here. The fund's unit or share price may change between now and then. If you pick the live price, which is ETFs only, you will buy it right there and then at that price that you see. However, they will charge you £7.50 to cover stockbroker costs. So I always go for next available price, just because, as I said, there's really not much difference. So I'm going to select that option. And now it will ask me how much of each fund I want to buy. So yeah, and it's already telling me down here, please note, I already own both of these. That's fine. I want to own more. I know I already own them, but thanks for telling me anyway, Vanguard, just in case I did purchase the wrong one. Okay, so how much of each one do I want? I want £100 of each one. So I'm going to put 100 in here and 100 in here. You can add more investments at this stage as well if you want to, but I'm happy with that. So I'm going to click next. Let that do its thing and it will just confirm. So it will confirm the ongoing charge of each of the investments that you've chosen. So Global All Cap 0.23 and S&P 500 0.07. I'm fine with that. I already know that. The total cost will be £200. You just have a read, make sure you're happy. Tick this button here. You can look through the key investor information. As I said, I don't need to do that because I already own these funds and I'm perfectly happy with that. So payment method. How would you like to fund your single payment of £200? Yes, I want it from my debit card. I can't use the cash that I have on my account because I have something like £39, which obviously does not cover £200. So I'll continue with that. And then I will go ahead and put my card details in, which of course I won't show you. So I'll stop the screen recording now, fill in all this, and I'll be back to show the next stage. Okay, I've entered my details and I'm back to this page here. So I'm just going to click submit. Just a moment while we submit your order. That's fine, that's going through now. Contacting my bank, seeing if I have the adequate funds. Right, so it's going to take a few minutes, so we'll just wait for that. Okay, so it's finished doing what it needs to do, and it says my buy orders have been submitted. What will happen next? They will process it, and then my investments will become available. So as we saw, this can take, it can happen on the same day that you invest if it's an ETF, or it can take a couple of days if it's a mutual fund. So it's just confirming my pending orders here. So when you actually go to transactions, your transaction tab, you will now see that the 2 orders you've just placed are pending. And once they have come through, you will be sent a contract note, and that will come in your secure messages or your documents section. So you can see that there. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I have now invested another £200 into my Vanguard portfolio. If you want to see my Vanguard portfolio, I make videos every single month updating what I'm doing on that portfolio. So do check out that playlist on the channel if you're interested. But yeah, I hope that run through was useful, or at least interesting. Thank you so much for watching. Give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.